Hey lovelies. So today we're going to be talking about how to get views when you have 0 subscribers. This is part of the beginner YouTube course. I'm so excited to be here today and to be sharing this feature with you guys. I'm also going to be sharing some bonuses in my book. This is my book. You guys can get it on Amazon. And you can get the ebook if you join membership on hungwanabosscollective.com. So today I'm going to be sharing the bonuses that I have that will help you grow when you have 0 subscribers even. So we've got my Notion template that is an all-in-one creator dashboard that runs your creator life. And then we have the hard copy edition, um, um, that you get included with this. So you get you get the ebook if you join the membership. And then you get the Be Your Own Resource hard copy edition, which is a series of videos that I did on this channel. You get um, the journey behind Hungwana Boss Collective. You get to connect with me personally, and you get a workbook. So you do get the workbook in the back of this. And you also get some templates that I don't share anywhere else. So there's specific templates for media kits, for YouTube thumbnails, for just looking up here, um, for descriptions, for titles, for scripting, deep dive into brands, getting brand sponsorships, um, thousands of YouTube video ideas for tons of different, um, there's actually 10 years of content ideas for series. Yeah, all-in-one workbook, Master the Art of the Hook, and just, like I said, just tons of templates in here. Those are just some of the goodies that you get included. And the reason why I boast about getting the hardcover edition is because everything is supersized. So, and it's in color. So, you get the supersized edition. So it is easier to read, and also the hardcover makes it last longer. So you want it to last you 10 years while you're building your journey. Um, Even if you spill some coffee on it, you'll be good to go. Obviously, if you spill coffee on the actual paper, but even the paper inside is higher quality than the base edition soft cover. So, yeah, it will last you a lot longer that way. So, like I said, we're going to learn how to attract your first 1,000 views organically. Even if you feel like your videos are invisible, you don't know how to use keywords or titles, and you're unsure how to get YouTube to recommend your videos, we're going to use the discovery trio. So the SEO, click through, and watch time to help you guys learn how to make searchable titles, high converting thumbnails, and hook viewers within the first 10 seconds. So what I'm reading to you right now has a lot to do with what I just talked about. And if you guys are interested, the next video will be how to design thumbnails that actually get clicks. So we will go through that more dynamically. I also have a video on my channel that walks you through a tutorial of how to do that, but I will be explaining to you in the next video thoroughly as a part of this beginner course. So, um, the way to get your first 1,000 views organically is to basically just test out videos, upload like 10 videos that are about the topics that you want to be known for, and then to just rinse and repeat the videos that are getting views. So if you have a video that gets 100 views, make a similar video to that one, that'll probably get another 100 views. You do that 10 times, there's your 1,000. If you're struggling and maybe let's say you're getting, you're stuck in the 15, 20 views, then you may have to post, 20, 30 videos but you will have one that eventually pops off, whether it's a short video that pops off or a long form video that pops off. You will eventually have something that is meaningful enough that will get into the system, and SEO will take it and be like, wow, this is high quality. I'm taking it. We're um, it's getting good click through rate. It's getting good watch time. So we're going to promote this to more people. So SEO, search engine optimization. So it's basically using keywords that help you to get on the YouTube Google ranking system to help you be able to get more searchable titles and more searchable um, words to help you actually get your content to the right people. See, people are going to be searching things every day, all day on YouTube. And if you have the right words in the right order, um, and also your video is doing the best within that search ranking, you are going to get promoted a lot more often. You want to get on the front page of that search and the highest to the top as you possibly can. The more videos you create on the same topics, the more likely you are going to get shown for that specific topic. For click through, they want to see that people are actually watching your videos and that they aren't just spending 2 seconds there and then walking away. And for watch time, you want to at least get past the minute mark. You want people to be watching your content for a minute or longer. 30 seconds and under is going to show YouTube that, hey, this video might be okay, but it's not exactly what we're looking for, and it's not exactly what that person's looking for, so we're going to show it a little bit less often. So you want people to watch that first minute so that that indicates to them, and you want people to like and comment and subscribe as often as possible because that's more engagement. The more engagement, the longer they're going to spend watching your video, the more likely you are going to retain that audience member and they're going to show up for the next video. And you're also going to get, YouTube to think that your content is worthy of being promoted to more than just the people that subscribe to you. You want it to, the most of your engagement within your first even 5 years is going to be from YouTube taking that content and showing it to interested people. And you want to make sure that your thumbnails, I'm going to just talk about this a little bit, are very intriguing and like bring people in to the focal point of whatever it is you're talking about. But you usually want to have your face. You want to have some words that have some contrasting colors. Like this one, for example, has white and yellow, or you could have black and yellow. Any color with white and black, and also yellow works really well. All those colors really make things stand out. So those are the way to get really good thumbnails. And make sure you have a background that pops. And don't try to like scam people. Don't like present the video as being such and such. Like it's about something, like dramatize it to the point where it looks like you're trying to get people to believe it's about something that it's not, because that will hinder your ability to get monetization later on. And people can report you and say, this video was supposed to be about this and it was about this. I got scammed into watching it because it lied to you. So you don't want to lie to your audience about what the video is about, and you want to make sure that you are really expanding on what it is that you're talking about, so that people know that when they click your videos, they can trust that it's what it's about. The title is what it's about. The thumbnail is what it's about. And another great way to be able to expand on learning about how to get more views is to use TubeBuddy and vidIQ to help with searchable titles. They can design thumbnails for you, and they can also help you find hooks for your audience. However, using ChatGPT and using those services should be used with the idea that you want to have original ideas you don't just want to always copy and paste everything that they're doing or everything that they're saying, because you also want to have some original creativity in this. This isn't just, you know, you're not just making this as a chat GPT, channel. It's yours. You want to add some of your flavor, your personality into this. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to go to my main page and link in bio to get this yummy book. And it's going to help you so much with all the templates that you need to grow your channel further. So I hope that you learned some things, help you get 1,000 views, and make sure you watch the next one on how to design thumbnails that actually get clicks. See you guys in the next one.